Hello children. In the series of idioms today, I'll tell you some important idioms that you can use in your daily life. You can see five important idioms I have written, and when I tell you, it's use. So certainly you will feel that you should use them as much as possible. Okay. So without any delay, we should start now. You can see the first idiom that I have written is to take after. Take after, it does not mean uh, you should start meaning take start getting the information about the word take and after. See what is the meaning. To be similar, to resemble. Okay. So in place of using the word like things are similar to each other, whatever things resemble each other, we should use this one, take after. Like the son takes after his father. Okay. Like both the brothers, take after each other. Clear? So in this way we can use this phrase, this idiom, to take after. Next is at sea. See children, at sea, it does not mean that you are to think about sea. Don't see about sea in this way. At sea means confused. Okay. Like you can take example about anyone who is confused. So don't say that he is confused. You can use he is at sea. Like on the occasion of festival, we go to market and we see many things. We go to a garment shop and try to purchase something like our outfits. So there, when we see different types of outfits, whatever, shirts or whatever, so what we feel? We feel at sea. Okay, we are at sea when we see many options before us and we are to choose. So this is a common problem. Okay, so in place of using this word confused, okay, or in confusion, we should use this phrase at sea. Like many people, they are at sea when they have to make some kind of decision. Clear? Next is at a stretch. Stretch, it does not mean that you start stretching yourself. At a stretch means without break, means with continuity. Okay, like he can he can sleep for 15 hours at a stretch. He can run uh, for 50 kilometers at a stretch. He can speak for 30 minutes at a stretch. Okay, so we have to avoid this word like without break or continuity. We should use at a stretch. Next is to be in the good books. See, children, we have another idiom also with the same thing. To be in the good books or to be in the bad books. It is related to impression, like how uh, what kind of impression you are creating about you in others' minds. Okay, suppose it is good, so we say like he is in the good books of his boss. He is in the good books of his uh, like seniors. Clear? And suppose the impression it is poor. It's not good. It's not like that is you can say not up to the mark. If it is like that, so we say uh, his behavior, or because of his behavior, what we feel like he is in the bad books of his authority. Okay, when the impression is good, we use in the good books of, and when the impression is poor, we use in the bad books of. Okay, so now we use this one to beat the clock. To beat the clock, children, this is very very important. See the meaning, before the fixed time, like to complete any activity before the fixed time, before the stipulated time, before the limited time that you have been given. Like there is a sprinter. Okay, there is a sprinter, and we expect that he will do this kind of thing in this minute. But suppose he does it before that fixed time. So what do we say? Like he has beaten the clock. Clear? In the same way, suppose somebody is there like a typist. You expect that he will type these papers in 30 minutes, but he does it in 20 minutes. So what do we say? That that man can beat the clock, or that man has the ability to beat the clock. Clear? See, children, these uh, idioms, these things you must use in your daily life, so that you can be in the good books of your parents. You can be uh, uh, becoming a kind of person who can beat the clock anytime, and you will be able to do all these things at a stretch, and certainly you will not be at sea. Okay, when you do all such kind of thing. Okay, so I hope you understood the things the way I have told you, and it is again expected you use the things pretty well in your day to day life, and you will make the most of these things, and uh, in future also, in the coming time, I'll be telling you through such wonderful videos, different idioms and different types of methods, like how to increase your vocabulary, okay, with the help of such things. So keep on watching and keep learning.